Most people assume all pet insurance is the same, but the surprising truth is that Trupanion stands out with its straightforward coverage and fast claims process. Today, I'll share my experience so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. Trupanion offers medical coverage for cats and dogs, including illnesses, accidents, and hereditary conditions. One of the biggest advantages is that they cover 90% of eligible veterinary bills, which is higher than many competitors. You won't believe what happens next. Claims can be paid directly to your vet in as little as 24 hours with their electronic payment system. Another benefit is unlimited payout per condition and per year, which is huge if your pet develops a chronic or expensive condition. There are no caps on surgeries, hospital stays, or specialized treatments like MRIs, which can quickly add up. However, there are some limitations. Trupanion doesn't cover routine care like vaccinations, dental cleanings, or spaying/neutering. Also, premiums can be higher than other pet insurance plans, especially for older pets for breeds prone to illness. The surprising truth is that if your pet develops an unexpected illness or injury, Trupanion can save you thousands in vet bills, making it worth a higher monthly cost for peace of mind. In conclusion, Trupanion is a strong choice for pet owners who want comprehensive coverage and fast claim processing. If you want protection against major accidents or illnesses and don't mind paying a bit more, this insurance can be a lifesaver. Subscribe for more honest reviews to help you make the best decisions for your pets.